Hi, to record screen on your Samsung Galaxy A16, as a first step, let me show you that there is no such built-in feature as screen recorder. So usually it is placed in a control center, so let's just swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner, and now we should take a look at these pages. And as you can see, there is no such feature as screen recorder. We can also tap this pen icon. Here, choose to edit full screen and find it in available buttons list, but you won't be able to find this feature here because it is simply unavailable. But I got a solution for you. So to be able to record screen, you need to open Play Store on your phone and manually find this app, Screen Recorder AZ Recorder. So on the bottom of the page, tap on search bar and manually enter this phrase, and now just tap blue button to install this app. Wait a couple of seconds till it would be downloading, and after that we can immediately open it and set up a bit. Great, now let's just open this app. Here you need to allow pop-up button. So you can tap on allow or enable don't ask again and then tap on allow, but it is important that you allow this step. So here tap on the switch to enable. Now let's go back, and here you can see some guide how to use this app. You can use the notification panel to control recording. Here you'll see some buttons, and let's tap OK. So now we need to allow to send notifications. That is also important. And if you want to start recording, you just need to tap this camera icon and choose while using the app. After that, we can start recording right now. So let's do it. And now we can see this 3 seconds countdown, and after that, recording will be started immediately. And also you'll record with microphone enabled. Now on your homepage you can see this floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen, just like this. You can tap it, you can pause this video recording and resume it later. So here you can see that time is paused now. You can open toolbox and make a screenshot, open camera, use brush and use magic button. And of course we can stop this recording. Or for that, we can swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, of course. And here we should see this section in a notification panel. And we can resume our screen recording. We can stop it. We can open tools from here. So let's stop it. And as you can see, this video is already saved. You can share with this video to any social media, you can edit this video, you can immediately delete it. Now let me check whether it's saved or not in the gallery. So let's open gallery, and yep, now we can see this video, we can immediately play it, we can share it to any social media, delete, and so on. And if you want to remove this button from your homepage, you just need to drag it down like this to the cross, and now it is gone. And if you want to free up some space, you can transfer those recordings to your micro SD card if it is inserted in your device. For that, you need to simply find this My Files app, default Samsung app, and now in this storage folder you'll see your internal storage and information about your SD card if it is inserted. As you can see, mine is not inserted, but this will work as an example. So go in your internal storage. From here you should choose movies, and now you can see the name of this app which we downloaded. Just open it, and here you should see your screen recordings. So you can press and hold it and choose to move, and then from here you need to select SD card, and you can move it to your SD card to free up some internal storage space. And for that, simply tap this button, move here. In your case, it would be activated if SD card inserted, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.